Hi, welcome back to ODE YouTube channel. My name is Paulo and I'm here for another unboxing video. And today I'm showing you a pen that I received from eBay from China. And so I'll have here my very old, very used Victorinox Alox knife from Lisbon flea market a few years ago. And let's see what we have inside. So nothing more here. Okay, actually there is more. There is a little tool, wrench to open the pen, and you can see that, hopefully. It's written there the name of the brand, and it is a Hongdian wrench. It may be useful in the future. I didn't know it came, so I was not looking at the package anymore. Now let's try to cut this in the kind of stupid way, just to be faster to find what we have here. And done. So this is the Hongdian N6 in black, and it is a very interesting pen. Maybe I should unblock the auto exposure, and I'm having a little trouble to focus this. Okay, I think it's better now. Let me try to lock the exposure and try to show you the pen. So the pen is an interesting one. It has a cap with some, I think, Chinese characters. That's what makes sense in a Chinese pen. It is an Hongdian pen, Hongdian N6. And let's uncap it, and we have an ink window, this kind of not really a kind of a matte finish here. It almost looks like metal. No, it's plastic, but here it is shiny plastic with a red ring there. An ink window, and you have a very nice nib, also black. I'm not completely sure if the tines are perfectly aligned. That's something that I have to see. And I think this is an interesting kind of stealthy pen with all parts black, except that little part, that little ring next to the piston knob. Let me turn the piston knob. Yes, it actually feels very loose. I hope it's not, and I think there will be some gaps there. Yes, there are, where I suppose this tool will fit to remove the piston. It's not something that I want to do, because I prefer to leave things as they are if I can. Yes, it will get in there, and then you can turn it and remove it. It's interesting that the piston rod, it is clear plastic. I think you can see. I usually don't like to disassemble piston pens unless I really need to do it. So no, the nib seems aligned, seems nice. I'm testing it on my fingernail. That's a way where I can see if it is scratchy. It doesn't look like that. So it is a nice black pen. And why did I get this pen? I got this pen because I'm kind of in a mood of getting cigar-shaped pens, which are all a lot like each other. And this is one of those, the new Hongdian N6, and I just want to make some comparisons. Here I have my other Hongdian pen that I have, which is the 960, and it's called Nebula Orange, which is a very beautiful orange color, more in the yellow side than orange. Pens won't get straight with the clips up in this flat surface, okay? But I'm getting into somehow some kind of these cigar-shaped pens, and I think it will be quite similar with some other pens. I have here, just for some eye candy, this is, oops, I don't think I can do this. Let me lock this one in place, the orange one, and try to put the other ones. So this is the Platinum President. This is the Pilot Costume 743, which is longer and it has a ball clip. This one is the, I need to check the names because I can't tell them apart easily. This is the Wing Sung, I guess. No, people of Sailor will be very angry with me because this is a Sailor 1911 large. So this must be the Wing Sung 629. So I have to say that all these pens are very similar, except this one is all black and it is a little bit shorter. But if we talk about shorter pens, there are the shorter version of this Pilot Costume 743, which is the Pilot Costume 67, discontinued now, the Pilot Costume 74 in forest green, which is a very lovely color. And we can have more pens like these, the Kaigulu 356, the same kind of looks, but piston fillers, it's only these new Hongdian N6 and the Wing Sung. And just to, the color of this one is amazing. Let me just add some other pens to this kind of collection of cigar-shaped pens. I can bring here the big ones, like the Sailor King of Pen, or the Flaro Titan, or the Montblanc Meisterstück 149, or the Senator President. These are the big ones. And then I made a mistake. This is not the Flaro, sorry. This is the new Jinhao X159. This one, yes, it is the Flaro Titan. And I also brought here kind of a large or a normal sized pen, the Leonardo Officina Italiana Furore, in this beautiful passion red color. But I also have here also another beautiful color, the Leonardo Officina Italiana Furore Grande. And I can't remember the name of this color right now, but it is very, very beautiful and one of the most beautiful finishes that I have in my pen. So these are all very interesting pens. I just want to show you now the nib on this one compared, for example, with the nib that you may know, the nib of the Pilot 743, which is the same nib as the Pilot 823, that it's very well known. It's kind of a number 6 nib, and this Hongdian nib is of the same size, which is the same kind of size as the Leonardo, which is a number 6 Yovo nib. Some may be a little longer, but the width is approximately the same Just for comparison, I will show you the number 8 nib on the Sailor King of Pen, which is clearly bigger, or the number 9 nib on the Montblanc 149. So you can see there are very similar and some different nibs. By the way, let me go for the smaller nib of these all, which is the nib on this Pilot 74, and you'll see it there. I'll put it here between the other Pilot and the Hongdian, and you can see it is a smaller nib than the other. So I think this Hongdian pen will be very, very interesting. Let me put these pens on the table. If they roll that way, there's no problem because there is a wall on the end, so they will not fall on the ground. And I just want to compare this nib with the nib on the other Hongdian and compare the look of them. And they have different designs. I think the design on the black one is much more interesting than the design on the orange. So this is a pen that I want to try. It is a little shorter than I expected, but I think it is another another interesting addition to this collection, and we will see more of it soon. So thank you so much for watching to this video, to all this mess over the table, and I hope to meet you again here soon for the review of this one or for more unboxings or whatever videos will come. So see you next time. Bye.